In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as a remote for your Amazon Fire TV stick. This is going to work on both iPhone and Android, and if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by grabbing your phone and opening up either the App Store or the Google Play Store and searching for the Amazon Fire TV app and downloading the official one. Whenever it's installed, make sure your phone is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network as your Fire Stick. This part is super important, otherwise it will not connect. And then open up the app and allow any permissions that it asks for. It's going to specifically ask for Bluetooth, and it's also going to ask for, searching on devices for your local network. Go ahead and make sure both of those are turned on, otherwise, once again, this will not work. But from here, the app will start searching for a nearby Fire TV device. If you don't see yours right away, tap look again, and when your Fire TV appears, just tap on it. A code will then show up on your TV screen. Enter in that code to your phone to connect, and just like that, you're good to go. As you can see, I'm able to control fully using my phone. It really is that simple. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.